In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Miro board looms. We'll walk through how to prepare your Miro board, record a clear walkthrough with Loom, and share it with your audience so they can follow along with ease. Start by heading to Miro and preparing your board. Clean up the layout so everything is tidy and intentional. Arrange your frames in the order you want to present them, and make sure your zoom levels feel natural, nothing too tiny or overwhelming. Aim for a board that makes sense at a glance, even without you talking. If a first-time viewer can follow the flow, you're ready to record. Use frames to create structure. Add a frame for each major section. Common ones are overview, workflow, and content plan. Rename each frame with clear, descriptive titles. Think of frames like slides in a presentation. They give your recording a rhythm and make it easy for viewers to track where they are. Open Loom and choose your recording setup. You can record your screen with your camera for a personal touch, or screen only if you prefer a cleaner look. Pick the mode that matches your audience and the tone you want. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Begin with a short intro that sets expectations, like, "Hi, this is your Miro workflow overview. I'll show you how the board is organized and how to use each section." Walk through the board smoothly. Use consistent, gentle zooms as you move frame by frame. In each section, explain what it's for, how someone should use it, and the next steps they should take. Keep your mouse movement steady and avoid whipping across the screen. It's a common mistake that can make viewers lose their place. As you explain, highlight key areas with your cursor and pause briefly on important details so they're easy to digest. Keep your language simple and direct. The goal is clarity, not speed. Aim to keep your video between 2 and 5 minutes. Focus on what the board contains, why each part matters, and how to work with it. Short, focused recordings are easier to watch and share. When you're finished, stop the recording. Loom will generate a shareable link automatically. Send that link to clients, team members, or collaborators so they can review the board on their own time. If you want to refine the video, use Loom's built-in editing. Trim any mistakes or dead air, add a simple call to action at the end, and rename your video so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You've created a clear Miro board loom that's ready to share.